We've got Anonymous on the line. Anonymous, good morning.
Hi, how are you?
I'm thinking you, my sister. I'm good, thank you. We great, thank you. How are you, Anonymous?
I'm doing good, thank you.
Awesome. Anonymous, I'm going to read you the house rules this morning, and then we'll hear what advice you need today. Respect is the foundation of our conversation. Maintain respectful language. Refrain from any swearing or use of profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people, the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Thank you so much, Mama. Talk to us. What's going on?
Okay, is it fine if I include a little bit of Zulu?
Yeah,
Please go for it. We have some easy to translate here.
Okay, so I met this guy while I was still in high school, right? So we got in a relationship, and then we are together for 8 years now, and we have 2 kids. So last year, it happened that we had a lot of complications in our relationship, to the point whereby besiqala lapho ukuhlukana like into serious. So now masihlukana kanje, he gets himself umuntu. Loyo muntu ayibo, now loyo muntu sekayaziwa khabo lo mfana, and there is not even one family member of the guy's side ongitshelayo ukuthi hayibo sekukhona ugirl okwenzeka kanje. Okay, ngizitholele nami umuntu on my side of which ngiyamthanda lo muntu. He's my type kahle kahle. Ngiyamthanda. And then deep into my new relationship, ngimthole last year, October. Deep into my relationship, how baby daddy sekayabuya manje. Makabuya, ubuya ngokuzo-engage. Uzongipropose. Angazi mina ngistakile because manje sengithanda lo wa October kakhulu because nje uyitype yami yonke into yami. Manje sikhuluma nje ngigcoke neringa baby daddy angizazi.
So basically, she has been in a relationship for 8 years with high school sweetheart, and then they had issues before, but not as hectic as the last one where they broke up for real. Broke up. He finds a person is now introduced to the family, and she's never told about it. She doesn't know about it, and then now she decides to find a person who is really her type. And then she's happy now with the head type, and then the guy comes back to propose. And so when he came back, were you standing at the gate with your finger outside?
Good question.
Because wafika wange-engage, as if or would you drive through, your hand was outside?
No, excuse. No, what happened is that we betega babam surprise betega babam. So one proposer on that day, ngingazi.
Yes, obviously. And then
who invited him?
Umama.
And they invited him and his new woman.
No, uzayiwani. I think besekahlukanile naye lo girl.
Okay. And then boyfriend wakho, where was he?
I begale yena abakamazi endlini yabo nomama nomobani abamazi waziwa yimina, so okay. I couldn't ukuthi ngim-invite ukuthi aze khathini yababana.
Nina how long?
Nobani?
No new. Nalo
6 months.
The new one 6 months. Okay. So now he proposes in front of the people. When you said yes because
I would translate, Pella. How did we get to the proposal?
Uktin. You spoke in English.
No, Ben Kulum is Zulu.
No.
Okay.
He proposed naked. He went down with one knee. So there's a party, surprise party, a father.
Yeah.
And everybody's gathered around. And then he goes down on one knee in front of everybody, right?
Yes.
So when you agreed because you won a pressure of the people around, or you really wanted him to propose? You are agreeing with the proposal?
Beyikhona i-pressure, you know, beyikhona, there was a pressure, so ngathi ithi ngivume ngamphoqa umntwana abantu.
Did he know you have a man?
Nope.
Mara now.
Okay.
I mean,
So,
shoot, you were hopeful, yeah, like Usomis is alluding to.
Anonymous, I think she's. I'm sure you've always wanted to be married to this guy, right?
Yes, because ngispend impilo yami naye, most of my life nje ngispende naye, sikhulise nesoyithu. So I was waiting for a moment ekanje, but not like this, not singazazi ukuthi sikuphi soyithu.
When was the proposal?
Angithi
When was it?
this year.
But then you said the new guy is your type, Mos.
He is.
Okay, so he proposes early this year, let's say January, ne? What happens after that? Do you still go see the other guy? Ima.
Yeah, but naye ngathi sekaya actor.
U-actor kanjani? Khuluma.
Yo, ayisekaya actor kasazenzi lezi zinto bekazenza, angazi noma naye unomuntu uyafihla nje.
No, but you are engaged. Did you tell him that you are engaged?
Angimtshelanga akazi.
So when you go to him, you don't put the ring on.
Yeah.
Hi, wena. And then, so how do you now balance between the two?
Phela lo wering. Ngimenza lento naye bekangenza yona ngithi asathi athole anentombi liya.
Yes,
Yena
let's call him Lord.
bekayithatha
Yeah.
ngithi, so nje nami ngenza kanjalo.
Okay, but so how many times are you with Lord of the Rings, and how many times are you with
The new guy.
Yeah,
New one.
Yo, I can't really say. Yeah,
You can.
Decided
You
this
can.
week nalo, next week nalo.
Sis, you can. Anything that is to do with Kunantra must be calculated. You can. How many times do you go, more or less?
Never flood the market with the Kunantra because you
Yes.
bring the value down.
How many times do you see Unyunyu, more or less, in a week?
3-4 times.
It's okay, 3 days gone. And then you see fiance 3 days.
1 or 2.
One wakho une-anger. So, but why then are you with fiance? Because it seems like you've got resentment towards him.
Exactly. Ngiyamthanda ne, but angikwazi ukuxola. Angikwazi ukuxola kulento abangenze yona, because especially it involves family yakhe. Understand? Futhi nje lento be serious.
Okay.
Ngiyazi question ukuthi uyangithanda na, why propose?
Yes. So,
So, but Anonymous, who proposes when you haven't been, let's say, romantic with a person for quite some time, and then he just shows up after how long and just proposes?
yeah, you can.
Out of nowhere.
Please bear in mind ukuthi lo muntu lo uyi-baby daddy, baba wengane zami.
So you talk to him all the time. Now bear in mind that he's introduced somebody else to his family. Bear in mind, ne? That the same person you are saying, this is the father of my child, he has introduced somebody to the family and the family has accepted her. Or when I will bear it in mind.
I know.
Yeah, I don't know. Cause yena manje mbuza ungitshela okunye ukuthi hayi bengekho serious.
Okay. So let's translate phela. So I think what hurts her the most is the relationship that happened when they were apart, and the fact that it involved the family and so it doesn't sit well with her. Anonymous, I don't think it's the only thing. In the 8 years that you've been together, it seems like this relationship always had issues. Ngathi bokunomchitholana okwenzakalayo a lot in this relationship. Have you cheated on him before?
Yeah, me on my side I have. Ngayeka, you know into yethu ne mhlambe on that year ngiyachita or I cheat or cheat so itu. Mara masubanjiwe. yeka yena akayekanga immediately uqhubekile.
Wow, what's yeka baby?
So Nina, you cheat once a year. The person.
No.
Girl.
No, phela ke we decide ukuthi
what in the Riyadh Hotel are we?
So easy. Everyone has their own relationship, their own way.
Meaning ukuthi lo mntwana lo bekamthanda kahle kahle.
Uyamazi, do you know her?
Mara yena uyangazi.
Umntwana? Girlfriend?
Lo wakhona.
The girlfriend knows you.
Yes.
How do you know that, Anonymous? How do you know that she knows you if you don't know her?
But so easy. She knows that he's got kids.
No, true. Lo muntu lo ke lo ngeke ngamconfronta. Efonini uyabo uyangazi nje izenzo zakhe, speaks it all out nje uyangazi ukuthi hayize yazi bekayenzela nokulaya cause me finding out ukuthi umuntu wami lo Lord of the Rings uyangikhithela. I was coming back from my grandmother's funeral in Mozambique. Yabo manyithi nasi sithombe how yabo wazi kahle lo guy lo I even posted him bekwaziwe nje ukuthi hayi umuntu wakho nje i-couple.
Okay, so now you said Lord of the Rings is your type. What is it about?
No. The new guy, yeah.
You said Nyunyu is your type, ne?
Yes.
What is it about Nyunyu that excites you? Physically, financially?
Everything. Lo muntu une future. Indlela acabanga ngayo, indlela yiyo.
Example your future in. Like, what do you talk about?
Yazi, for instance, ne, ngisanda kuhlangana naye, ubhizi uthi hayi ngiyakha ekhaya, you know, ngiyakha umuzi ukuthi hayi one day mina na he includes me futhi in his plans ukuthi hayi one day mama nawe uzokwazi ukuthi siyohlala lapha nabantwana bethu, you know. Lo manje lo wearing usahleli kubo.
No.
Usahleli kubo. Bam influencer ngezinto ezimbi vela bangithandi. Okay, it's fine, but naye akadefendi ngisigama lami ngingekho ngikhona yafana nje kuyi.
Okay, how's the ring? Is it nice?
Hayi inhle yona uzamile shem.
Okay, and then you know I like asking these deep questions naked, ne?
No,
I want to know.
I know how
between Lord and Nyunyu ubani oh
inle.
It's a deep question.
Ngithi Anonymous.
Yebo.
Uyangizwa? Ngithi mina between uNyunyu no Lord of the Rings ubani oh like
I honestly shem lapho Lord of the Rings.
Unjani?
Yeah, oh.
Uthi.
Oh. Hi, Anonymous. So okay, ufuna sincede ngani manje?
Angazi ngempela ngenze njani because yabo I haven't been nakubo Lord of the Rings since nje wangilo angapropose. Angazi angifuna ukubabona. Yo,
Anonymous.
Think about that. Angifuna ukubabona, angifuni nje ezongihlanganisa na angifuni.
Anonymous doesn't want to see them.
Iyawoma.
In nakuza yakhe iyawoma. Yeah. Anonymous, if you had to break up with Lord of the Rings, would you miss the...
I wouldn't, Shem.
But then how Lonomusha can't do it properly?
At least, no. Phela sengisuke ngajwayela Lord of the Rings yabo. Nyunyu Shem uyazama yena kodwa akafiki kuleya.
Okay.
Kuleya level.
All right.
Okay, we coming back. 47 minutes after 10 o'clock, we still have Anonymous on the line. The Naked DJ and Somizi are here as well. Anonymous?
Hi.
You still there?
Yeah, boy.
Okay.
Anonymous, whatever decision you make, remember when you marry somebody, you marry their family as well, no? And you've mentioned that you really can't stand his family. And the family can't stand you, number one. Number two, this guy... No matter what's happened, don't let the bling bling Just because he put a ring on it, don't let that blind you. Remember him for who he was. And remember, it's who he still is. Probably the only thing that made him buy this thing was because now there was another man doing what he couldn't do. He could see that you were happy and that you were not bothering him anymore. And the fact that you were happy and Enyin daughter was doing things for you, now all of a sudden he's coming back to propose to you. This ring is not from love, but it's a trap. It's the devil. It's the devil. He is the devil himself. So don't let that bling bling blind you, no?
Very
all right, again. Thank you.
Don't write it down. Don't let pen lap.
Yeah, you paid.
We paid man. Don't let that bling bling blind you. Don't forget, don't let that triple B blind you. Or don't let that B3 blind you.
Okay, yo.
Yes, Anonymous, like, I feel like me and you can be friends.
Why so easy?
Yeah?
Why?
I feel like me and you can be friends.
Yo, ngicela uyithathe nje number yami. Yazi ukuthi ngisemsebenzini manje ne because angikwazi ukukhuluma yonke into so ngikhuluma nje ngashile
ngama codes.
Yo because lento iyangihlukumeza emoyeni.
Don't worry. Ngishaya nge-DM wena sizoba machomi.
Yo ngizokwenza njalo ngiyabonga kakhulu. Uyabo le bling bling ngikhipha kuyimanje iyangicasula ke manje.
Take it out, Anonymous. Take it out. You deserve better. He's disrespected you. He's embarrassed you. He thinks when you're a toy to play with. So forget about him. Please give Ununu a chance, Anonymous. Okay?
Yo, ngiyabonga kakhulu. I've been wanting advising.
Yo, I'm here for you, Chon. Give Unyunyu a chance. I think Unyunyu is a gentleman, okay? Because he thinks of the future, okay?
Yeah, I ngokutshela manje.
Ngokutshela sithi.
Yeah, ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Have a wonderful day, yes?
You too, ngiyabonga.
Ngikuthanda ibhadi.
Ngiyakuthanda nami yo ngigijimela ku DM ke manje.
Thank you so much, Anonymous. We were just visiting naked. This Bagasha because it's so easy and Anonymous well vibe. Nah, definitely. Good luck.
Thank you.
It's Beyonce, Single Ladies. What advice do you have for Anonymous? Give us a call, 086-2160. Your voice notes coming through on 060-552-7303. Anonymous is waiting for your advice. We've got 5 minutes to give advice to Anonymous. Let's head on over to the phone lines. Kwanele out in Joburg. Good morning.
Hi, good. How are you?
Good, thanks to you, Kwanele.
I'm good. Hi, Naked. Hi, Somisi.
Good morning.
I'd like to advise Anonymous to take a time. Because now I feel like there are things that she is not supposed to do that she's doing currently, and they are going to affect her in the long run.
Is that all?
Yeah, that's all.
Are you sure, Kwanele?
I'm very much sure. I also feel like she's not being honest with the fact that the family doesn't like her. Family ring,
lot of the rings.
I feel like there's a lot that she has done that needs the family not to like her, and she's not being truthful about that.
Personal.
Gwanele,
ngathi you know something that we don't
I know
tell
nothing, my brother.
Gwanele.
I'm being for real. I know nothing.
Okay.
Even currently, in St. Lillian, I just connected to the Bluetooth. I'm listening to Metro. I just thought, you know what, let me just do this and advise her, you know?
Okay, cool.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Drive safely there. Let's take a listen to your voice notes.
What a start to my Monday. I think Kuto, we can agree. But see, this is a great start.
Agreed.
Honestly, I feel like Anonymous should not self-sabotage herself. I feel like she should just focus on the new guy, you know, because guy, a lot of the rings, no No way. I feel like maybe he heard somewhere with someone, and he thought the ring could just cement everything.
Imagine.
So just don't self-sabotage and focus on the new stuff. Don't go back, because that's always what you have wished for with that person. And also the resentment that you have, and if you take that into your marriage, I don't think it's gonna last. And then you're gonna regret it later and be like, oh, I wish I chose him. Like, no, Anonymous.
Hi, Team Ask
Good morning.
Yes, Anonymous, ne? Like she's the funny Anonymous of the year.
Yeah.
Anonymous story sakhe simnandi and siyahlekisa and sizosubhlungu. So Anonymous, i-advice yami ne, hayi, go for the new guy. Ubaba abantwana khohlwa ngaye. Uneked uqinisile. That ring she put on your finger akusi ring yomshado, just ukubhlocka ukuthi ungabi ne-happiness outside there. You Anonymous, no, Anonymous ngiyakuthanda yazi.
Hi, Metro FM family. Kuto, happy birthday, Standard.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
Yo, Anonza, baby, I love you. You are a strong woman, and you can, like, guys, this lady is strong and she knows it. So don't let this man take your power away from you. Yes, fight, Sisi Ilwa, fight for yourself and protect your peace. Unyunyu is giving you peace. Hambane peace, Sisi. Leave that man, he does not deserve you. You are strong, you are beautiful, and keep that smile.
Hi, ladies.
No, I like her. She sounds good. Her voice, her spirit, just like her.
Ooh.
You know what, Anonymous? This is a trap. Your bling guy he misses your kunandra. He's jealous that you have moved on. He's trying to trap you now so that you won't be able to move on. After you gave her your kunandra, he'll smash and disappear again. That ring means nothing.
All right.
Anonymous, move on. Go for the new one. I always go for the new one. So Mizi, do you ever? You never go for the new one, no?
No, not anymore. Not anymore. I miss my father when he says, "Ooh, PPJJ." So go for the new one. Naked.